How to make better money decisions. Managing finances can feel overwhelming, but breaking it into steps makes it manageable. Whether you are new to personal finance or just looking for a refresher, this guide is for you. Let's start with the 5 practical steps and how to implement them effectively. Step 1 is to define your financial goals. Before you can make sound money decisions, knowing what you are working towards is essential. Whether it's saving for new home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, clear goals are your foundation. How to do it? Write down your financial goals in 3 categories: short-term, medium, and long-term. Short-term, things you need within 1 year. Example, saving £1,000 for an emergency fund. Medium-term goals with 1 to 5 years, paying off £10,000 in debt. Long-term, anything beyond 5 years, saving for retirement. Be specific about the amounts and timelines. For example, save £5,000 for a family holiday by December 2026. Use budgeting apps or simple spreadsheet to track your expenses and to plan for them. If you want to fly, you have to give up on things that weigh you down. Toni Morrison. Step 2 is to learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes financial mistakes, like overspending, bad investments, or forgetting to save. This is normal. These mistakes are valuable lessons. How to do it? Think about a financial decision you regret. 1. Ask yourself what caused it. Was it a lack of planning, or was it emotional spending? 2. Commit to breaking bad habits. For example, if impulse shopping or regular dining out is a problem, set spending limits or remove temptations by deleting these shopping apps altogether. Personally, I buy bulk food items except for fresh produce to meal prep, and I also buy quality clothes that last longer, which means I invest and I save more. A famous quote is, even a small reduction in errors and rework have a significant impact. Abigail Johnson. A personal example, I get cash back from spending on home insurance, my holiday home bookings, and wherever possible when I spend, I get money back for spending. Mistakes don't define you, learning from them does. Step 3 is to build a budget that works for you. Budgeting is like giving your money a job. It ensures you're in control and not guessing where your money went. 1 is to track your spending for a month, including everything from coffee to your rent. Divide it into 3 categories using the 50-30-20 rule. So 50% for needs, example, housing, utilities, food. 30% for wants like dining, subscription. 20% for savings and for repaying your debt. If you have high interest debt like 10% or above, pay those off first to cut down your debt. 3. Automate savings and payments so you stick to the plan effortlessly. A real life example is, think of budgeting like running a successful business. Businesses don't run or operate without a financial plan, and neither should you. A quote is, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. I'd say invest first, save next, and then spend. Step 4 is to be prepared for financial curveballs. Unexpected expenses like car, medical expenses can throw off the track, and you need to be prepared for that. So how do you do this? Start an emergency fund with at least £500. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses over time and build it to 1 year with compound interest in a high interest savings account with easy cash withdrawals. Keep them separate to your main account so you avoid spending it on non-emergencies. A real life example is, during the pandemic, people with emergency funds face less stress than those without one. Having a financial cushion can give you peace of mind. Quote is, prepare for the worst, hope for the best, and expect everything in between. Maya Angelou. Step 5 is seek advice when needed. Money decisions can feel daunting, but you don't have to figure everything out alone. How do we do this? 1 is join online forums or communities like Reddit r/personal finance, where people share advice and experiences. 2, educate yourself through resources like books, YouTube videos, or online courses. 3, make sure you check sources, avoid scams, and consult a qualified financial advisor for professional guidance. The investment you can make is in yourself. Peter Lynch. The more you learn, the more confident and informed your decisions will be. To wrap up, make better money decisions. Start with small steps and define your goals. Learn from your past mistakes and stick to a budget. Prepare for surprises and don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, financial success is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent and progressing and keeping on learning. Take it one step at a time and you'll feel more in control of your financial future. Hope you found this helpful. Jan here, signing off. It would mean so much if you could subscribe, like, and comment. Can't wait to see you back next time. See you soon.